feel? Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel? I got the East Coast feel, West Coast feel. Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel the East Coast feel. Say what?
Hey guys, it's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full-on holiday glam. We're talking about color, we're talking about contour, full coverage foundation, the whole shebang. It's the holiday season. Wherever you are, it may be cold. I know here it's damp and cloudy. I need a little color in my life, so I'm going in today and doing a holiday glam look using my Anastasia Fall Renaissance eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. So we're just going to kick back and do some makeup. This will not be a talk through tutorial because around where I am right now, it's been fire alarms going off randomly. It's raining really hard. My neighbors are doing construction or something. So it's just too much noise for it to be a talk through. So I'm just going to put on some soft music. So grab your tools, grab your makeup brushes if you want to follow along, or just kick back with a nice cup of tea and enjoy this holiday glam makeup look. We are going in with some color. I'm so excited. Y'all know I love color eyeshadow. Give me all the glam in the world, honey. I love it all. So get ready with me for this holiday party glam look. I'm actually going to a holiday party tomorrow. So I'm trying to, you know, kind of flush out a couple of looks. Hi to my new subscribers. I see you guys. Y'all been talking to me in the comments and saying hi and everything. I love that. I appreciate it. So let's get ready doing a holiday full-on glam with my Anastasia Fall Romance palette. Well, this is the final look, and I have to tell you, I am really loving this eye. I was kind of questioning where it was going to go, because the smoky colors in this palette, I use the shade Thorns in my outer V, and then I used a little bit of the shade Mulberry up here in my crease once I had the purple on to darken it up a little bit. But this shade Divine, the purple one, is on my lid. I also used the shade Moonlight, which is this lavender shimmer color, to go underneath my eye to add a little pop of shimmer. But I'm really loving this palette for the holidays. I think it's a perfect addition to your stash, especially to do a good festive holiday look like this. Like I said, this is holiday glam. I'm actually going to a holiday event tomorrow, so I think I'm just going to recreate this look now that I see how it looks with this eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is just sublime. Like, I really have been loving using this fall the fall romance palette from Anastasia. I did put a little bit of topper on my lids from the Sephora collection eyeshadow that I got, the singles, and this is Break the Bank, I believe it's called. No, I'm sorry, I didn't put Break the Bank. I put this champagne shimmery color on here. And this one is called Take It to the Bank. Sorry. This is the champagne shimmery color that I put a little bit as a glitter topper on my lid. But I'm really pleased with how the whole look turned out. I was skeptical about the blush. I was like, I don't know, the blush is kind of red. But I didn't put that much because that blush from Fashion Fair is extremely pigmented. So everything will be linked down below. But I'm really feeling this for the holidays. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what you think. So thanks for tuning in today to get ready with me for my holiday glam. Like I said, thanks for being patient, because this was not a talk through video. It's too much going on in the surroundings around me, and I was like, I just have to turn the volume off and hope you enjoy like the lo-fi music and things like that, just to kick back. And I hope you grabbed your tools and followed along with this video. Thanks again for tuning in to my channel. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. As usual, I always talk back in the comments, so if you have a comment, make sure you leave that below, or any questions that you have as well. Happy holidays going into the season, whether you celebrate or not. I hope it's a good season for you to rest and rejuvenate, to get back in stride for the new year. Personally, I will be taking maybe 2 weeks off from any type of recording or anything like that. You guys know, even when I was on medical leave, I didn't really rest. I was just I had already recorded, so I was in the bed editing videos when I was supposed to be sleeping and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to take some time off in the next couple of weeks, probably right before Christmas, and come back during the new year fresh, new. I have a new idea that I'm fleshing out for you guys, so I'm super excited about that. But getting ready with you for the holidays has been my pleasure. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all back here real soon. Bye.